Geico has developed this active safety system in addition to the camera monitor systems. Wheel loaders are moving as much forward as they are moving backwards, potentially creating dangerous situations directly around the machine, especially at the rear end. Radar Eye. Radar Eye actively warns the operator via live images, transparent overlays, and audible warnings if objects are in the vicinity of the machine while reversing. Best picture quality in all circumstances and fastest reacting sensors in the industrial market today.